Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to prepare BIR 1601C in HR Tech. So what is BIR 1601C? So this is actually the form that you need to fill every month whenever you are remitting the monthly withholding tax of the employees. I'm actually referring to this, no? So every time you are remitting your monthly withholding tax, you need to fill this. Okay, so either through online or through EBIR forms that can be downloaded from the website of BIR. Okay, so of course the header is about the information of your company, but the most important thing is this area where you need to fill the total compensation less the non-taxable compensation to get the net taxable. Okay, and eventually you will put here the taxes withheld. Okay, so how we will do it in HR Tech? So this is the topic of this video. Now, to do it in HR Tech, all you have to do is to go to BIR 1601C, okay, which is in the government, and then BIR 1601C, okay, and then automatically it will show you all the 1601C that were already entered into the system. Okay, so right now I have here from January to September. So suppose I want to prepare for the month of October. All I have to do is to click this add new record, and then here I will put the applicable month, which is October 2020, and then here is the receipt number. So this is actually the receipt number of the bank where you remit your withholding tax. Okay, so you can say, let's say 889, and then here you put here the date of remittance. So normally it is on the 10th day of the month following the last payroll. Okay, for example, if I'm referring to October, so normally this is being paid on November. Okay, so I'll put here November 10, 2020, and then here is the drawee bank. So maybe let's say the drawee bank is Metro Bank, let's say, or maybe Land Bank. Okay, and then here is the tax withheld. Okay, so you can type it manually, or you can just click this calculate tax withheld. Okay, so wherein it will get the total tax withheld from the payroll that you generated for the month of October. Now, if you go to the payroll that we have generated, okay, by the way, I have only one payroll, no, because I don't have time to do the data entry, but of course it will be the same, no, whether you create 2 payrolls in a month, 4 payrolls in a month, it doesn't matter. What is actually happening is that it is getting the total for that month. Okay, so if we look at the total for the withholding tax, no, for the month of October, it's actually 2,263.36, okay, which is equal to this. Okay, and then you save it. So once you save it, as you know, we need to fill this in the BIR, right? So since there is no option for the BIR to accept a text file, no, unlike other forms like AlphaList, there's an option to upload the text file, but on the 1601C, as far as I know, there's no text file where you can upload. Okay, so anyway, if I am wrong, please inform me in the comments below. But based on my research, there's no option to upload anything regarding 1601C. Okay, you have to type it manually here. But the good thing is that in HR Tech, there's an option to get a base data where you can have the information on what to put on these fields. Okay, so this is what I will show you. So from here, you can go to operation and then print base data. Okay, so this is now the base data. Okay, as you can see, there is here total amount of compensation, which is this total amount of compensation, and then less the non-taxable or exempt compensation, which are this, no? We have the statutory minimum wage for MWEs or minimum wage earners, holiday pay, overtime, which is this. So actually, this total amount of compensation is actually the total gross pay, okay, for the whole month, for all the employees, whether minimum wage or not, okay? But this statutory minimum wage for MWEs, this is only the total of basic pay for all the minimum wage earner. And then here, as it is mentioned here, it is for MWEs only, because it is also mentioned here for the MWEs only, or minimum wage earner. Okay, so that's why here these two total statutory minimum wage, this is the total basic pay for minimum wage earner, and this next line is actually the total for holiday pay, overtime pay, night shift differential, hazard pay for all the minimum wage earner. Okay, and then here is the 13th-month pay and other benefits. Since we did not yet make the 13th month, so therefore it is 0 right now. But of course later on you can generate the 13th month pay. So it is actually equivalent to the 13th month pay and other benefits. Okay, so other benefits, this is should not be more than the limit, which is currently the limit is I forgot, but I think it's around 90,000 maybe. Okay, but it should not exceed the limit. Okay, and then here we have the de minimis benefit. Okay, de minimis benefit is actually for all, not only for the minimum wage earner. That is including the non-minimum wage earner. Okay, so it is actually the total of this minimum de minimis benefit column. Yeah, this column. Okay, which is actually currently it's 12.5. Okay, which is this 12.5, and then here is the SSS PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and also the union dues. So the total of that, whether minimum wage or not, it will be here. And then the total of all non-taxable compensation is actually the total of this. You will get the this 10,611, and then if you deduct total amount of compensation by the total non-taxable compensation, okay, so we will get the total taxable compensation. Okay, wherein here it will get the total taxes withheld. So this is not actually the necessarily the tax due. Okay, tax due might be different. Okay, but the thing here, it will show you what is the total taxes withheld based on the payroll, which is as we have seen, it is 2,263.36. Okay, so once you have this, all you have to do is to put it here and save it, and then submit it to BIR. Okay, and that's it. That's how easy it is to prepare BIR 1601C in HR Tech. So if you have any question, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.